Dreamscape presents The Brain Health Book, Using the Power of Neuroscience to Improve Your Life by John Randolph. Narrated by Chris Lutkin. Preface. Information about the brain and how to potentially improve its many functions has become increasingly available in popular culture. Newspaper articles, online sources, and talk show hosts are often eager to tout the findings from one-off studies that purportedly clarify how the brain works or how it can work better. Commercials and junk emails praise the benefits of supplements or other products that are supposed to magically transform the brain's inner workings. But what actually helps? And what's hype? Is there compelling science out there that can be translated and used to inform our decisions, strategies, and lifestyle choices? In the 2000s, I started taking more notice of the science of brain health. I also wondered why this topic was not being discussed more frequently in my neuropsychology circles or in academic journals. Being a neuropsychologist, a clinical psychologist specializing in brain behavior relationships, I was much more aware of how to document and diagnose cognitive disorders than how to promote better thinking skills. Throughout my training, I heard repeatedly that once the brain was injured, diseased, aging, or otherwise not working properly, there simply wasn't much we could do about it. I never wanted to believe this. As I continued to dive into research on brain wellness, I thought it would be useful to summarize some of it for my colleagues at an upcoming meeting. I gave a presentation on the topic and thought perhaps that would be it. Fate then intervened in the form of a publisher who had heard about my seminar and suggested that I consider writing a related book for a professional audience. I accepted this offer and enjoyed the labors and rewards of writing and editing a reference on brain health for people in my field. During that process, I kept coming back to the idea that people outside my small professional zone would probably be interested in a book that considered the science of brain health. It seemed that it might be useful to translate the research for folks who were curious about neuroscience, neuropsychology, brain health, and related fields, but who hadn't necessarily been educated in those areas. Perhaps consider the science in a way that wouldn't go too far into the weeds, but, nevertheless, clarified some brain-related ideas and terms we might hear in the media.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?